everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I have another cleaning motivation for you guys. So today I am going to be cleaning my fridge. So I've been cleaning my house here and there, and I've kind of neglected the fridge and it needs some attention today. To get started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so, and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. With that being said, let's go ahead and start cleaning. Today's video, I will be deep cleaning my fridge for this coming holiday season. In my household, it is essential that I do this just because we are going to be cooking a lot of food and dessert, and we need some room. And plus, who doesn't want a clean fridge? As you can see, there was no organization whatsoever in this fridge. It was organized in one point in time, but of course, some system just doesn't always work for the whole entire family, and the things get scrambled right off the bat. I am just getting rid of the products that are expired already. I will be throwing away a lot of half-used item that's been sitting in the shelf for like forever. Now I will be removing the stuff that are in the fridge and putting it on the counter so I can wipe down the shelves and the drawers. I like to use this lazy Susan bin to place all the big bottles of sauces that doesn't fit in the shelves. I will be deep cleaning the inside of the fridge, so I simply just use a warm soapy water to wipe down the shelves and the drawers. I absolutely love this microfiber rug that I got from Walmart, I believe. This is one of my house cleaning essentials, especially for this holiday season that is coming. Ended up washing the drawers just because there was like some sort of sticky goop stuck on the bottom of the drawers. I'm just going to wipe down the shelves on the bottom to put a white liner on top of the shelves, but I ended up removing it just because I couldn't see what's in the vegetable drawer. Now I will be wiping down the bottles to remove the sticky drips on the outside of the bottles. I use this bin to hold tortillas and flatbreads. My children loves to use those for quick and easy pizza lunch. Place the big jugs on the bottom of the shelf so my children can easily get to them. I kept on rearranging the jugs because I wanted the milk to be at the back, and plus I want to hide the Dr. Pepper soda. Then I will be using this bin as a cheese compartment. Wow, we have plenty of cheese. By the way, I just found a non-dairy cheese product. I absolutely love it. I call it fake cheese because it is made out of tofu, I believe. If you are lactose intolerant, you should try this fake cheese, and you can find them at Walmart. I use the other bin to store the lunch meats. I placed the grapes right here so I can easily reach them because I absolutely love grapes for snacking. Here I ended up putting the flatbreads and the tortillas in this bin. Now I put back all the leftovers on the shelf. As you can see, this organization method is not as pretty as what you would see on Pinterest that looks super designer. This one is very realistic. Now I will be cleaning the shelves on the doors. Also still using a warm soapy water. I'm just going to wipe down the shelves and the bottom of the bins. And here I found a white basket that I can use to hold small items. Got this kimchi the other day, and I plan on making some kimchi fried rice one of these days. Now it's time to work on the second drawer, which is the vegetable drawer. So I'm just going to take out all the vegetables. Then I am going to deep clean it using a fresh batch of warm soapy water and a new clean wiping cloth or microfiber cloth. I will be putting back the vegetable in the compartment. I will be using this small basket to place like half-used vegetables or like small vegetables so they just don't bounce around or roll around in the big compartment at the center. I placed the potatoes in the basket as well so I don't get random dirt in the actual compartment. So it's just going to be in that small basket, so it's going to be easy cleanup. And I found this skinny basket floating around in some of the drawers. I decided to insert it on the side and it's actually a perfect fit and it will hold like small vegetables. Now it's time to rearrange and organize the freezer. As you can see, I am just moving things around. I place all the vegetables on the top left and then on the other side it's just like random stuff that are small. On the bottom left of the drawer is where I keep all the frozen food that my children likes to eat. So I place them there so they can easily reach them. On the bottom right of the fridge, I will be using it as a storage for like open food. But first, I am going to deep clean it using the warm soapy water that I had been using since the beginning of this cleaning video. And here I mix some of the popsicles in the yellow box just because the kids doesn't like grapes flavor. So I just kind of secretly put it in there and kind of scramble it. If you are wondering why I don't have meats in this fridge or in the freezer, I actually have one freezer and one fridge in the garage. So that's where I keep most of them. Now it's time to clean up the outside of the fridge to make it nice and shiny. Then I am going to be vacuuming using one of my cleaning essential, which is vacuum. Okay guys, this is what the fridge looks like right now. As you can see, it is so organized. So let's start over here. So these are where I keep all my Asian sauces, as you can see. And then like some sort of sweet stuff, baking stuff. And then just random sauces there. So I still decided I want to put all the leftovers on the very top. And then some more leftovers. That's where the deli meats and sandwich meats and some of the tortillas. This is the cheese drawer, the drinks so the kids can easily reach it. And this is like my favorite part of this, is this Lazy Susan. I might get one more to put right here. This is what the fridge looks like now. And let's open the vegetable drawer. So as you can see, I kind of sorted them and I have some baskets here and there to hold some of the vegetables because this one is kind of big compartment. And this one, the broccoli, I still need to chop them up and put it in a container. And I got these basket from the Dollar Tree, I believe. And yeah, I use them to hold all the vegetables that are small enough. And then here I actually managed to fit one to put some apples in there and then salad right there. Now let's close this drawer. And this is the freezer section. So as you can see, I keep all the lunch stuff like frozen food that my children likes so they can easily reach them. So I put it here. And I also have like a catch-all basket. Some of the food that are opened, I place it in a catch-all basket. And of course, popsicles or fruit pops. And these are all the vegetables. I might move this. These are brisket. Wonder if I have room on this side. Okay, I'm just switching things around, okay? So you can say that this is really organized. There you go. So I place the brisket in here, and then I just use this as dedicated for frozen vegetables. And some random Filipino food that I made, I just place it in there and then I can just thaw it when I need it. So that's it for today, and I hope you are inspired and motivated to clean your own fridge for this coming holiday season. It took me about 3 hours to clean up and organize the fridge. It took me about 3 hours to clean and organize this fridge. I burned a few calories doing some house cleaning. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification so you will get notified whenever I post a new one. I will see you next time. Bye!